Someone has opened Pandora's box, setting tricksters loose to roam the world and turn everything they touch into the most visually stimulating puzzle ever assembled. How can you stop them? There's only one way. Play Microsoft Pandora's Box from the famed creator of Tetris, Alexey Pajitnov. This is addictive gameplay like you've never seen before. Try out 10 different puzzle types with over 350 variations. Test out powers of recognition, observation, and spatial relationships. Get immediate satisfaction by solving some puzzles in 15 minutes or less. Or take up the challenge of traveling around the world, capturing tricksters as you go. You'll never know how fun and addicting Pandora's Box can be until you try it. Come on, you've been working way too hard. Give your mind some playtime with the ultimate puzzle game from the creator of Tetris, Microsoft Pandora's Box.